Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to give feedback on the Bumble application. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store or Play Store in your device. Now, in the search bar, type in Bumble and click on Search. Here, find the Bumble application and scroll down until you see this section, which is ratings and reviews. Here, click on Write a Review button and you'll be prompted to write a review there. You can also rate the application by tapping on the 5 stars button, 1 star being the lowest and 5 being the highest. Providing feedback on Bumble application helps improve the user experience and address any issue you may encounter. You need to be specific. Clearly describe the issue or provide detailed feedback. The more information you give, the easier it is for Bumble to address your concerns. Also be polite. Constructive and respectful feedback is more likely to be well received and acted upon. Also include screenshots if applicable. If you are reporting a problem, including screenshot can help illustrate the issue more clearly. By following these steps, you can effectively provide feedback on Bumble application and contribute to improving the user experiences. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.